Welcome back to another video and hope everyone is doing great. Today we have a small unboxing of our MacBook, and the first point is how much did it cost. And currently the price of this MacBook is around 92,000 rupees, and on this there is an offer of 6,000 rupees cashback if we pay through HDFC cards, that is either by credit or debit card. So it will be processed after 120 days, that is by the 4th month we're going to get back our 6,000 rupees as a cashback. So then the cost of this MacBook is going to be around 86,000 rupees, and additionally we need to pay 18,000 rupees separately for the Apple Care Plus for 3 years for the Apple production. So now let's see the unboxing. So let's set this up and then